Alrighty guys, we're standing outside of the Kellogg Arena, but we're not focused on that today. Instead, we're focused on the McCamly Plaza Hotel here in downtown Battle Creek, Michigan. I would give a big shout out to Gabe Wise for telling me about this place, because first of all, I didn't even know there was a hotel in downtown, and second of all, you're going to be surprised of what kind of elevators they have in here. I think I got it. It's over here. Here they are. Look at some Otis Lexans. See if that works. Nope. So push up. There we go. Go smashing the buttons. Going up. Look at this Otis Lexan. 16 floors. Plop. Here we're at 16. And yes, we're going down to the lobby. Phone box is obviously stuck. But we got a very nice cab here, as you can see. Look at this, you got Lexan. Awesome. Cool. Yeah, we'll go up again. See, no close button works. The probably used to be a Nixie. There's a bearing floor indicator, but they replaced it with a just additional. Going up here to see what that view looks like. Oh wow. See, look at this call button. The other one's here. Going down. Lobby. And yes, we are going up. Enter click button. Somewhat works. Whoa, look at that phone. It's like
loose in there.
Yep. Same thing as the other cam, you can see here. There's a mirror, but it's an interesting mirror. Hi. We'll see if there's any classic entry door. Plop. So listen, I'll just put it up there. 12. Going down?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hopefully. Yesterday we selected down, we went up first, got somebody, and then came back down, and then we were here in the morning, and the elevator picked us up at the bottom floor, and we were waiting for the people to come out. Apparently they weren't going to the bottom floor.
Really?
Yeah, it's
It just decides where it wants to go.
musical elevators, it's awesome. Yeah, we were on 12 going down, and went up to 15, picked some people up, and then went back down.
Has a mind of its own, huh?
It
Yes,
does.
exactly.
It's a very interesting setup.
Here you go.
Thank you very
You
much.
bet.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
See, you guys are going.
I'm sending this upstairs because check this out. Check out what they have here.
What?
Turn around. I'll show them what. Look at this.
Oh yeah.
The indicators actually work. See? Disappearing floor indicators out here in the lobby.
No, we're just watching that number go up.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty cool. It's rare to see those nowadays. See? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And I guess that is gonna be it.